to this Master Reviews and Tutorials video. We're going to be looking this morning at this Hisense machine and just give you a really quick rundown as to how it operates, how to use it. So to start with, she's all dead, or should be, but fires up really easy. You've got your power button over here. Now, the different things here, turning the knob and going to these different settings is what confuses most people. What the heck do I put it on? Your wool setting, obviously for woolen clothes, delicates, synthetics, cottons. These are just different settings that have different temperatures, different characteristics, and different times. You'll see how long it's going to run for changes with each of these different settings. Intensive, that's obviously for really dirty clothes, stuff that can take a rough wash. Quick wash, come around here. See, that's just 15 minutes. That's a very quick wash, I must say. I'm pretty impressed with this machine. It's done a good job. Rinse and spin, that's going to be rinse and spin only. So you can chuck some stuff in there, it'll give it a rinse, it'll spin it out. And spin is spin only if you've got some wet clothes. So a couple of things to point. If you're just chucking in one load and you've got a mix of, say, cottons and synthetics, synthetics is like the plastic material. Anything that's got that plasticky sort of feel or look like nylon when you're looking at the labels on clothes. And cotton, that's cotton. That's going to have more of a natural feel to it. Now, the cotton wash is going to be more gentle than the synthetics wash. So if you've got a mix and you don't want to destroy your cottons, you need to put it on cotton, not synthetics. And the same thing with anything. If you've got some stuff that you're going to mix, go for the gentler cycle so that you don't upset the ship. Okay, so turn it on. Select the wash you're going to put it onto. Now here, you've got some extra buttons. Spin speed, once you've got it all set up, you see you hit your spin speed, it's going to give you the RPM. See there, 400, 600, 800. Basically, well, there's no spin. It gives you that option as well. But basically, the faster it spins, the more water it's going to drive out, so the drier it'll be. But also, it's tougher on your clothes because it can tend to stretch things out. So if you don't want things stretched, don't put it on a super fast spin. Temperature, again, you can vary how hot the wash is. You're playing around with your presets now as soon as you touch these, but you can, if you want it a bit hotter, if you want it a bit colder, adjust the temperature there. And your option button, that's these guys up here. This is rinse, hold, extra rinse. If you want to really make sure you get all the soap out or something like that, give it an extra rinse. Eco, that'll quicken things up. You see the time dropped. If we go back here with extra rinse, it was 1:26. Put it onto Eco, that went too far. There, down to Eco, it drops to 52 minutes. Pre-wash, that's a wash beforehand. So if you've got some stuff that's really dirty, you need to wash it, give it like a rinse to start with to get the dirt off, get all that out, and then start it and put the soap in. Your soap drawers here, you've got spots for soap and your conditioner. The big hole here, the one with all the soap on it, is where you put your soap, and it'll add that at the right time for you. You've also got some fabric softener can go into these guys here. So nice and straightforward, soap in here, set yourself up there, and a really good, easy, straightforward machine to use. And it's got really quick times, which is really good about this one. Particularly over in Europe, I've seen washing machines that the minimum is like 2 hours. So to see something that can go through really quick is impressive.